There's cornbread too. I'm gonna be.
Okay, we're gonna officially introduce you guys. This is Ed, and this is Sue.
Hi.
And what's your channel name?
Bandit the Nomad Pug.
All right, so go check them out, guys. And Sue made us all chili.
Looks good.
Oh, yummy.
I think my chili's been on about 4 different videos
yummy.
before.
Oh, it's
I made some
famous.
cornbread for everybody.
Famous.
Got cheese to put on there.
Too famous.
We've got Sal and Sharon here. And we got Raph from Nomad News is with us. Mike and Steph and Linda from Moo's Travels. Scotty's up there, and we're gonna have some dinner with everyone. Thank you, Sue, for making chili for us all.
You're welcome.
All right.
Always making chili. This is probably at least the 4th time.
Well, it's definitely a good night to make chili because it is pretty chilly out here tonight.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're okay.
I'm great.
You're good, Linda. All right.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Good morning, everybody.
We can
Hola.
sit.
Okay, we are finally leaving Clearwater not Clearwater.
Blue water.
Blue Water Casino in Parker. Scotty got to see the boat races, had a great time. It's now time to move on. We are heading to Lake Havasu. Woohoo! Hopefully, I'm gonna go see some car shows and hang out with Ed and Sue for a little bit. Ooh, it's really bumpy. Sorry, guys. Oh. There's Sal and Sharon going out here with us. All right, so we're just going back to Havasu. Gonna hang out there a couple days. Ed and Sue have to stay there. Sue's gonna do some work there, and then we'll take off and meet back up with Aja and the rest of the group. And then from there, I don't know what we're doing. We're all trying to kind of figure it out at this point where we want to go next. So, of course, we'll take you guys with us. All right, we'll see you guys in Havasu. Craigie Wash. We were gonna go down to the state land and get the $15 permit, which gives you 14 days per year, I believe it is, on state trust land. But there wasn't enough room for our big group, so we went ahead and came up to Craigie Wash. And I'll tell you what, when those rains came in, it really did some. You can't see it out here, but I'll try to get a picture of what it did down here. Yeah, it moved some earth big time. We were told that it had washed the road out on one section, which we saw that back there, but the upper part where we all camp seems to be okay. Doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
There's the site host. So that's where you check in and get your permit. Little sign up here. 14-day limit. Okay. Should have gone up and back there.
Way back up in there?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we just gotta get forward and I can't go through that.
So there's a big section up back there, so we'll see what Ed says. He's the scouter outer. The scouter outer.
Yeah, it moved some stuff around incredibly.
Yeah, it did. I mean, it really came down through here. That's why we usually get out of here when they're gonna have torrential downpours, because I guess this whole area can really flood bad, not just this road area. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off because it's gonna get bumpy.
Rocking and rolling.
Well, we made it just in time for the sunset. It's always so beautiful up here at sunset. Anyways, we've got our group in here. We're still trying to maneuver around. It's kind of hard to get level around here. We're pretty lopsided, but Scotty will fix that. Trying to get Linda in. We've got Sal and Sharon up here, trying to get a good spot. We wanted to go up here to that area, but the road got washed out. The people that are up there are gonna have to try to figure out how to get their big rigs out of there, because it's not that great up there. Might have to take a couple shovels up and help for sure. All right, so that's it. That's where we'll be for a couple days. And then we're gonna head back probably somewhere towards Yuma. Okay, so last night, Sue and Ed, Sue made us all chili, and tonight Linda is spoiling us with all kinds of good things here.
I'll just have some of each.
Chicken, gravy, potato salad, pickles, and JoJo's.
I don't know how.
Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome. Welcome, but we don't care.
I had to worry if the Seahawks would have played yesterday, then it would have been over and done. I would have just watched the highlights and been done. But I didn't know you were from me.
What are you gonna go do?
I'm gonna go watch the Seahawks football game with Ed, because he got freaking satellite TV and a big screen.
Scotty's happy. He's been wanting to make sure that
Here's my screen.
He wanted to watch the football game so bad today. He tried to get service down in Havasu, and he said, "I got a couple channels, but Ed,
definitely not
his buddy,
ESPN.
His buddy just came over and said, I got it on there."
I got ESPN.
So Scotty's gonna go over there and do that, and I'm gonna sit up there and read my book tonight.
Oh.
My Deborah Dickinson book.
Okay, done with my dishes. Now it's time to go watch a football game with Ed. So have a wonderful night. Thanks again for hanging in with us. Until tomorrow. Hasta la vista, babies.
Have a good one, everyone.